Green bean heat. Oh yes, this Thai red curry chicken brings the warmth of aromatic spices and creamy coconut, balanced with the freshness of crisp green beans. Let's get into it. Ingredients first. You will need about 300 to 350 grams of boneless chicken. I'm using a bit of dark and white meat. About a cup of green beans, blanched and sliced. Now they're still nice and crisp, not raw and not overcooked. 3/4 cup of coconut milk. As with Thai food, it's all about balancing those flavors. So I have a teaspoon of palm sugar, some cilantro stems next to it, thinly sliced kaffir lime leaf garnish, there's about 3 leaves there, and 2 to 3 garlic cloves finely chopped. I have half an onion here and a quarter red bell pepper or any other color you have that's sliced. Some water might be needed. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, cilantro stems as mentioned, 2 teaspoons of red curry paste. You can find this in your Asian supermarket, or you can make some. I have a video in the playlist. So into a saucepan I add a teaspoon of salt to simmering water, and this is to blanch those green beans. So I've cut off the ends and I'm cooking them whole in the simmering water just for about 2 to 3 minutes until slightly tender. Be accurate and check by tasting. Go straight into an ice bath. That will help maintain that color and stop the cooking process. In the meantime, I heat up a wok, medium high, add in a little bit of vegetable oil to the hot pan. I will begin with sauteing the onions. Then go ahead and add in the curry paste. So this curry paste has been in the fridge, so I want to loosen it slightly. So I add in a little coconut milk and allow this to cook. Ideally, you'd like the coconut milk to split or to see the oil rise to the surface. This will happen quicker if it's a fresh coconut milk, but if it's already processed in the can, it may take longer and sometimes may not even split due to the canning process. I added garlic to this. The addition of garlic is optional, as you will find all the flavor in the curry paste, but if you want to enhance the flavor, by all means go ahead. Did you know Thai red curry gets its color from dried chilies? But it's not just about heat. Coconut milk smooths out the spice, and crunchy green beans keeps every bite fresh. It's sweet, salty, spicy harmony in a single bowl. Let's add the chicken to the curry paste. So a red curry paste is traditionally made by pounding fresh chilies with lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaf, coriander root and shrimp paste in a stone mortar. The heat level varies by region and even by family recipe. This doesn't take long to cook, which makes it a very good, delicious weeknight dinner. It's sometimes difficult to find cilantro with the roots on it, so I try to optimize and use the stems as much as possible. Continue to saute to cook the chicken and develop flavor. And while this is happening, I will explain what the coconut milk does here. The coconut milk provides a balance. It isn't just for creaminess. In Thai cuisine, it's used to mellow out, chill, heat, and carry aromatic flavors deeper into the dish. The amount you use will depend upon your recipe. I just added a little water to this whilst the chicken continues to cook. As you can see, it is still not fully. As I have previously mentioned, balancing the flavor. Thai cooking is built on harmony between sweet, salty, sour, and spicy. I've been asked why I use sugar in these Thai recipes. Sugar balances sourness from lime or tamarind and saltiness from fish sauce or soy sauce. Even in spicy curries, a touch of sugar rounds out sharp chili heat and makes the flavor feel full instead of harsh. And about half of the kaffir lime leaf. This adds a bright citrus aroma. At this point, I add in the bell peppers for color. You may be wondering if you could use any other vegetable. Well, that's a good question. You could use Thai eggplants or pea eggplant, bamboo shoots, carrots, baby corn, snow peas, zucchini, and potatoes. You can also have a different protein like fish or tofu. Green beans goes in and give that a nice mix. Remember, those are cooked. The chicken's done, so it's basically warming everything through. I must mention that long beans are more traditional in Thailand, but green beans are often used abroad for their similar crunch and sweetness. They can help cut through the richness of the curry. Just a mention about the color. Red curry gets its name from dried red chilies in the paste, but in Thai culture, red often symbolizes warmth, celebration, and appetite. And I hope this is making you as hungry as it is for me. There you have it, a perfect balance of fiery, creamy Thai red curry chicken with fresh crunch of green beans. This dish brings together bold flavors and wholesome ingredients for a meal that's both comforting and vibrant. Give it a try and bring a little taste of Thailand into your kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share your favorite curry variations in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more bold and balanced flavors from around the world. See you next time. Thanks for watching.